Question number 7, children. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. With centers ABCD, 4 circles have been drawn just to touch each other externally. Alright. Then you have to find the area of shaded region. So similar 4 circles, this whole side 14, and they are just touching, means the radius of these circles would be 7, 7 each. 7 here, 7 here. 7 plus 7, 14. Okay. So we have 4 circles out here of radius 7. And if you focus on the figure here, talking about the shaded region, that was your whole square. From that square, you have to remove these portions. These are quadrants. Square, so this angle would be 90. So we have 4 quadrants here, okay, of radius 7. So the shaded area would be obtained as, the shaded region is area of square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrants. So side square, formula for area of square, and 4 quadrants means 1/4 of the circle. Okay, so 4th is, so 4 circles together, that is only pi r square will be left. Side was 14, 14 square, 196. Then pi r was 7 here. So that becomes 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 154. 6 minus 4, 2. And 9 minus 5, 4. So area would be this much centimeter square. Okay. Now next you see question number 8 here. Okay, so for 8th one they are saying that there is a track which has been depicted like this. The distance between the two inner parallel lines. So these are my two inner parallel lines. Okay, so distance between them is 60. I have shown that in the figure. And these tracks are 106 meters long each. So length from here to here. ये जो inner tracks की length है, ये उसने बता दी है 106 meters. Alright. Now, if the track is of width 10, तो ये जो width है, track की ये 10 है. Anyway, you see. Okay. So, this width is 10 meters. Then, you have to first find the distance around the track along the inner edges. Okay. So, inner edges means this inner track. This inner track. तो ये यहाँ से अगर आपने start किया है तो how much distance have you covered? This whole boundary we have to find out. So that includes this length, which is 106. Parallel to that, opposite, this is also 106. So we have two lengths this way, and then these semicircular edges. Now, if this distance was 60, children, then for this circular region, the diameter is 60, hence its radius would be 30. Okay, so this circle, when I consider a semicircle, its radius will be taken as 30. You getting that? Okay, so for the first part here, if I had to find, you keep seeing the figure also from there. So distance around the inner track would be two inner parallel lines, these two, which are given as 106 each. So 2 into 106. Then plus 2 inner semicircles, these 2 inner semicircles. So twice of semi means half of circle. Now when I'm talking about this means I'm considering its circumference. Half of the circle, so that is 2 pi r is the circumference. Uska आपने half करा and double कर दिया because there were two semicircles. Okay, now work that out. Then whatever gets cancelled, so ये 2.5 balance हो जा रहा है, so that remaining multiply. 3 2s are 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 1320 upon 7 here. Then take LCM here, work it out. So your boundary is coming out to be 2804 meter upon 7 meters. Now for the second portion, that is the area of the track. So area of the track means this blue region, this shaded portion would give me the area. तो उसमें देखो आपको क्या दिख रहा है. एक तो हमको ये figure दिख रहा है A B F E that I have marked. Okay, you can give it any name. So this figure is what? Rectangular, length into its breadth. Length is 106 and its breadth is 10. Similarly, down below also you have another rectangle, similar rectangle with length 106 and breadth 10. So these two rectangles we will add up, and then left over would be this ring portion. And area of ring कैसे निकलता है? Outer circle, area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. 9th में करा था आपने. Okay, so for this ring structure, that is what we'll do. Okay, so our question was to find area of the track which comprises of these two rectangles, and both rectangles are similar, so I have doubled the area of one rectangle. Okay, length into breadth, formula नहीं लिखा है, आप चाहो तो लिख सकते हो, area of rectangle is length into breadth, and हमने इसको double किया है because we had two such rectangles. Then area of the semicircular portion would be, there are two semicircles, half of area of circle is pi r square, and we are finding the difference of outer circle minus the inner circle. For ring structure के लिए हमें outer circle से inner circle remove करना होता है, right? So radius of the outer one would become 40 because for the inner one it is 30 and ये width 10 था, so 30 plus 10, the radius for the outer circle would be 40. Okay, so then ये 2 half and 2 तो balance हो गया था. Next step में you can take this pi common for calculation convenience. Pi is 22/7. Then this is a square minus b square. 40 square minus 30 square बचा था, which is a plus b. 40 plus 30 70. A minus b, that is 40 minus 30 10. Okay, work out whatever gets cancelled. Your 7 in this is becoming your answer. Alright, now for the 9th question, children, they are saying that AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O. They are perpendicular to each other. Okay, AB and CD, 90-degree angle here. And OD is diameter of another smaller circle here, right? If OA is 7, if OA is 7, OC, OB, OD all will be 7 each. Right? This is the same circle we are talking about. You have to find the area of the shaded region. So in the shaded region, we have this circle here whose diameter is 7. Okay, 7, this length 7 happens to be diameter of this. So radius iska 7/2 हो जाएगा. And then this is a right angle triangle here. यहाँ पे भी right angle है, यहाँ पे भी right angle है. So ये triangle है जिसका आपको ये total base 14 हो जाएगा. 7 here, this will also be 7. 14 will be acting as its base and its height would be 7. ये OC radius of the bigger circle is its height. Okay. So, and this is a semicircle jiska radius we know as 7. So, we can evaluate all areas. The shaded portion clearly you can see is from this semicircle. If you minus this rectangle, then you are left with these two portions. And plus, ये तो circle है तो easily इसका area add हो जाएगा. So, area of the shaded region for this figure would be semicircle ACB minus triangle ACB plus circle with diameter OD. Alright, so area of semicircle is half pi r square, of triangle, right angle triangle tha, so half base into height, and another circular figure only, so pi r square. So half into 22/7 into iska radius 7 tha. Okay, this circle we are talking about, semicircle. Then half into base was 14, I had explained you, height will be 7. Then pi and r would come out to be 7/2. All that I had explained you all further earlier. So cancel out whatever you can, multiply and get your answer. The area is coming out to be 66.5 centimeter square.